Once known simply as Coal City, today something bigger is unfolding. Roads are stretching wider, hospitals are rising from foundations of steel, smart cameras watch over streets, drones patrol the skies, investors are arriving quietly. In Southeast Nigeria, Enugu is attempting something bold, a coordinated transformation across security, transport, industry, tourism, aviation, energy, and urban design. The question is no longer whether Enugu is developing. The real question is Enugu quietly building the most structured smart state model in Nigeria? Tonight, we investigate. For decades, Enugu carried a defining identity, Coal City. It was a city shaped by mineral discovery and colonial administration. It carried intellectual influence and regional prestige. But history alone does not guarantee future relevance. Today, inside Enugu State, a transformation is unfolding. One driven not by nostalgia, but by infrastructure. The shift is visible. Steel beams rise where empty plots once stood. Fiber optic cables run beneath new roads. Security systems monitor urban movement. Industrial plants prepare production lines. This is not scattered development, it is structured growth, and it signals a deliberate attempt to reposition Enugu from a historic capital to a modern smart state. Development without security collapses under uncertainty. Enugu's modern security architecture introduces AI surveillance cameras across strategic corridors. These cameras are not passive observers. They analyze behavior patterns, detect anomalies, and support rapid response systems. Central monitoring hubs coordinate real-time urban intelligence. Digitally equipped patrol vehicles extend enforcement capacity across neighborhoods. Then comes drone surveillance. Aerial monitoring provides strategic advantage, overseeing highways, forests, and public gatherings from above. It transforms security from reactive to predictive. Predictive security builds investor confidence, and investor confidence attracts capital. Security therefore becomes the first pillar of sustainable development. Infrastructure reshapes economic movement. New flyovers reduces congestion in high-density corridors. Expanded ring roads open new residential and commercial zones. Dualized highways shorten travel time between economic clusters. Every reduced traffic delay increases productivity. Modern transport terminals formalizes mobility, replacing disorder with structure. The introduction of CNG buses marks a strategic shift. Compressed natural gas stabilizes operational costs and reduces emissions. Public transport becomes cleaner, cheaper, and more sustainable. Transport infrastructure does not simply move people, it moves opportunity, trade, labor, and investment. A developing state must transition from consumption to production. Enugu's attraction of electronic factories, tractor assembly plants, door manufacturing facilities, and ceramic production lines mark a structural economic pivot. Each factory generates direct employment, but more importantly, each one builds a supply chain ecosystem, logistic providers, maintenance services, packaging companies, technical apprenticeships. Production retains capital within the state. Industrial clusters reduce import dependence, and skilled labor pipelines strengthen long-term economic resilience. Manufacturing transforms economic identity. Connectivity determines relevance. Operating from Akani Ibiam International Airport, The vision of Enugu Air represents a strategic aviation ambition. Air transport compresses time. Time compression increases trade frequency. Diaspora access improves real estate inflows. Cargo expansion enhances export potential. An aviation strategy integrates Enugu more deeply into national and international economic networks. Connectivity reduces isolation. Reduced isolation increases influence. Tourism is engineered experience. Natural assets such as Awon Waterfall, Ngo Pine Forest, combined with hospitality anchors like Nike Lake Resort, position Enugu as a leisure destination. Proposed cable cars elevate scenic value into premium experience. They generate visual identity, digital shareability, and visitors' curiosity. Tourism activates hospitality. Hospitality activates small businesses. Small businesses expand economic circulation. Experience becomes revenue. The Enugu International Conference Center and five-star ICC Hotel shift Enugu into summit economy territory. Conference infrastructure attracts corporate events, political summits, diaspora conventions, regional trade expos. Business tourism generates higher per visitor spending than leisure travels. An ICC is not simply architecture, it is a statement of readiness. The proposed Ofoto Arena introduces sport and entertainment infrastructure into the growth equation. Arenas host concerts, tournaments, exhibitions, and youth competitions. Events activate hotels, restaurants, transportation, and vendors. The sports economy strengthens youth engagement while expanding commercial activities. Entertainment becomes economic multiplier. Urban rail represents long-term mobility ambition. A monorail reduces congestion density while modernizing city image. Transit corridor increases proper value. Higher density near rail stations attracts commercial clustering. Transport efficiency increases productivity density. Mobility innovation reinforce smart city identity. Growth must be sustained by knowledge. Institutions such as the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, anchor intellectual development. Smart schools, digital classrooms, and innovation programs prepare youth for technologically integrated economy. Infrastructure without skilled labor weakens. Skilled labor without infrastructure migrates. But when both grow together, retention strengthens. Solar street lighting, cleaner transport energy, industrial coordination, and digital security systems create integrated sustainability. Growth in Enugu is not isolated. Security supports investment. Investment supports manufacturing. Manufacturing supports employment. Employment supports consumption. Consumption supports transport demand. Transport demand supports infrastructure expansion. This is compounding development. Momentum, once established, becomes difficult to reverse. Enugu's transformation is not defined by one project. It is defined by synchronization. If execution remains consistent and maintenance culture strengthens, this coordinated infrastructure growth may redefine Enugu's identity for decades. Coal City is evolving, and the trajectory suggests that Enugu is not merely expanding, it is positioning. If you believe structured development is the future of the Southeast, like this video, share it, subscribe to 1010 Media, because here we document transformation.